Dear class 10th students, you all know quadratic formula, how to use quadratic formula, how to find zeros using quadratic formula. But have you ever expressed desire to know how this formula is derived? Have you ever wanted to know how this formula is derived? So my dear, welcome to Deeksha Vedantu CBSE English channel, and I'm going to derive quadratic formula in this video, my dear. So let's start the video. So we all know the general formula, the general format of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And you can see on this, in this formula, this is b is coefficient of x, a is the coefficient of x square, and c is the pure constant term, right? Now let me tell you how this formula is derived. Basically, earlier in syllabus of class 10th mathematics, there was a topic in quadratic equation to find the zeros of the roots, and the topic was by completing a square method. There are three methods to find out the zeros of a quadratic equation: by middle term splitting method, by quadratic formula, which we are talking about, and the third method was not in present. That topic is excluded from the present syllabus. So there was the topic to find the roots was completing a square method. So by using that method, basically this formula is derived. So let me show you. So my dear, let's say what you have to do. If we have a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now do one thing. This c, shift this c that side. So my dear champion, if we shift this c that side, so what will happen? The c will become negative. There will be minus a. Right. Now divide this entire equation from a to make the coefficient of x square 1. We want to make coefficient of x square 1. So let's divide this entire equation from a. So what will be the scenario? X square plus this will become b by ax is equal to this will become c by a. I hope this is clear to all. First, we have shifted c right side, so c will become negative. Then we are dividing this entire equation from a. Why? To make the coefficient of x square 1. Very good. Now what we have to do? Now we have to add the square of half of coefficient of x. Come on. What is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is b by a. So if the coefficient of x is b by a, what will be the half of b by a? The half of b by a will be b by 2a. Now if I ask you what will be the square of this, so we can put a square. So b by a is the coefficient of x, so half will be b by 2a. We all know when we calculate the half of any fraction, if the fraction is there and we want to calculate the half of the fraction, that fraction, so you don't need to do anything, just make the denominator twice. So we can write y by 2x. The half of y by x will become y by 2x. So similarly, b by a, the half of b by a will become b by 2a, and take the square, and that function, this thing will be added to the both sides. So let's add the half of square of coefficient of x on both sides. So this will become x square plus b by a x plus this entire family b by 2a whole square, and this is already negative, so we can keep this as first position, b by 2a, and this is in negative form, c by a. I hope this is clear to you all. My dear, now this format is very magical. A square plus b square and plus 2ab is the middle term. So if we factorize this, so we can write this entire function as x plus b by 2a whole square. If you don't believe on my words, you can expand this a plus b whole square. Let's expand this. So if we expand x plus b by 2a, so it will be a square plus b square plus 2 into a is x and b is b by 2a. Now 2 cancel. So what we are getting? Bx by a, and which is equal to bx by a, the middle term. So basically this is the expanded form of a plus b whole square. A is x and b is b by 2a. I hope this is clear to you. Now here solve this. This will become b square divided by 4a square, because a square, both numerator and denominator both will go under square, minus c by a. Right, champions? So this is x plus b by 2a whole square, and this is equal to, we can take LCM here. So the LCM of 4a square will be 4a square. 4a square will be the LCM. Now if this is 4a square, so this function will remain as it is there. after taking the LCM, and this is already 1a, and the LCM is 4a square. So we have only 4a that need to multiply with this c. So this will become 4ac. I hope this is clear to you. Now my dear, if we remove a square, so this will whole family will go in root format. Root. So this entire family will go under root. So we can put here under root b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. Now my dear champion, x plus b by 2a, what will happen here? This will be b square minus 4ac, and after solving this root of denominator, this is 4a square. So under root 4a square will become 2a. Because 4 is perfect square and a is also in square form, so 2a will come. Now we can shift this there. So x will be equal to minus b by 2a. We have shifted this family there, so it will become minus b by 2a, and this is plus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Can we take here LCM? So after taking LCM, we are getting this is 2a and this is minus b, and here we have solved this. We have solved this under root 4a square. We are writing here 2a. So we have to put here plus minus sign. So this will become plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. And this is what? This is the quadratic formula. You can match the formula. Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 2ac divided by 2a. We are solving here quadratic formula. So we are treating with quadratic equation. This is quadratic equation, so we require two roots. So this plus minus will decide the number of roots. On taking plus sign, you will be getting first root. On taking negative sign, you will be getting second root. I hope this is clear to you all. So let me explain this derivation again in very simple words. First, we have written here the general format of quadratic equation. Now we have shifted plus c this side. So plus c will become negative minus c. Now we have divided this entire equation from a, both sides, because we want to make the coefficient of x square 1. And to make the coefficient of x square 1, we need to divide the whole equation by a. So this equation will look like b by ax minus c by a. Now what we have to do? We have to add a square of half of coefficient of x. So coefficient of x is b by a. So half will be b by 2a. Half will be b by 2a and the square of that. So b by 2a we have added at the left hand side and we have added at the right hand side. Right? And magically this entire 1, 2, 3 family will become this identity. That will be following a plus b whole square. So we can reduce, this is the expanded form of a plus b square. So we can write x plus b by 2a whole square. And by doing the mathematical calculation basic, we have formula x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. And this is the quadratic formula, everyone. I hope this is clear. Now let's do a question based on this. So let's do the question. Find the roots of a quadratic equation by quadratic formula. So my dear champion, to apply the quadratic formula, you should have a, b and c clearly. So let's find out here first a. What is a here? A is the coefficient of x square. What is b here? B is equal to minus 7. If the coefficient is in negative form, then please consider as it is in negative form. And here c is equal to 3. I hope everything is there. Now you have formula, very magical formula. X is equal to minus bc plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This formula. Right? You have a, you have b, you have c, you have everything. So x is equal to minus b. So b is already in negative. But as per the formula, b is in minus. So when we put minus 7 will put here. So minus will become plus. So we can write here plus. Plus minus under root b square. It means that minus 7 whole square. Minus 4. A is what? 2. And c is what? 3. Divided by 2a. It means that 2 into 2. 2 into 2. A is also 2. So let's solve this. So 7 plus minus under root 7 square. Minus 7 square will be 49. And this is 4 2 ja 8. 8 3 ja 24. Minus 24. Minus 24. Divided by 2 2 ja 4. Now, x is equal to 7 plus minus, this is under root 25. 49 minus 24 will be 25 divided by 4. And we all know under root 25 can be written as 5. divided by 4. But we are solving here quadratic equation. So how many roots will be there? 2 roots. So for 2 roots, to find out 2 roots, what we need to do? We have to consider first addition, plus sign, and then minus sign. Then automatically you can find out the value of x, 2. So let's consider positive sign first. So 7 plus 5 divided by 4. So x is equal to 12 by 4. So x is equal to 3. This is the first root. Now considering negative sign. X is equal to 7 minus 5 divided by 4. 7 minus 5 will be 2. 2 divided by 4. 2 cancel here. So one more zeros is equal to 1 by 2. So these are the zeros. We can say roots also. But always make sure whenever you are applying quadratic formula, always try to find out the value of d first. If d is 0 and or d is positive, then only you can apply quadratic formula. If d is negative, d means discriminant I am talking about. D means this, the value of this, b square minus 4ac. Listen champion, in quadratic formula, b square minus 4ac is under root, is inside the root. So if this value will be negative, if this b square minus 4ac value is negative, you cannot apply quadratic formula. That will be violating the rule of quadratic formula. The situation is of complex. So when we can apply quadratic formula only when d is 0 or d is positive. If d is equal to 0 or d is greater than 0, then only we can apply quadratic formula. If d is less than 0, we cannot apply. So let's check it. Let's find out d first. So if we find out d here, b square minus 4ac. So b is equal to minus 7. Minus 4 into a is 2 and c is this. So d is equal to 49 minus 24. Wow. And d we have is 25. It means that d is greater than 0 because 25 is in positive form. So it implies that there will be 2 different roots, and we have proved also we have 2 different roots. So whenever you want to apply quadratic formula, initially always make sure to check the value of d. If d is 0 or d is positive, then only you can apply quadratic formula. If d is negative, please don't apply quadratic formula. You cannot get the correct answer. That will be the complex situation when under root value is negative. Thank you so much for watching. So if you have any kind of difficulty problem in quadratic equation champion, do let me know in comment section. And I mean, if you want any particular concept clarity, so that I can provide you the particular video for that. Not only from quadratic equation, from any chapter that might be going on in your school. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected with this channel, Deeksha Vedantu, CBSE class 10th. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself and of course, take care of your parents also. Bye-bye everyone.